saying? I heard blah blah. Water, rocks on me like I'm Tata. Papa, like Papa, Percocet before you chopper. Hey, Bush, doctor, serving patience, I'm a trapper. I've been running with some choppers.
Right now on the streets of Mexico, and we got a I almost say Yamaha. I have a Yamaha. I want to force a habit. So it's a Kawasaki H2, and it's not the R, right? Just regular H2. Okay. So what's done to it?
Supercharger gears, intake.
Okay.
This is the stretch. It's 6 inches over.
Jeez.
Manual chain tensioners.
Okay. And I love the exhaust. Stupid fast.
Jaegerworks intercooler. Full exhaust.
Yeah.
It's on pump gas right now.
Pump gas. Okay. Tuned?
It's tuned, yeah.
Okay. What's the fastest you've had it up to?
So it's geared for 228, 225. I haven't ran it that fast yet.
Okay.
I mean, I've definitely been over 200.
Okay.
Because fifth, I'll hit 189, and that's limiter on fifth.
Yeah.
And I have all 6 gears still.
Okay. Damn.
Yeah, it's different sprockets too. 19 in the front, 42 in the rear.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely more mighty than my old one, I tell you that. I've been sinking money into the vet, so I haven't even had the time to even, you know, spend some money on mine. But yeah, it's clean. It's like a mirror finish.
Yeah, no. So I actually found this out. The paint the Kawasaki uses, they melt it down.
Yeah.
And they melt down silver.
Okay.
That's how they make the finish.
Okay. Nice.
That's why it's so fucking expensive too.
Yeah. So how do you think it's gonna go between
I don't know,
the Kawasaki and the vet?
Since the last time I ran it.
Right, exactly. So
we stock wheelbase.
Yeah, exactly. And you had like issues keeping it down. I remember that. So we have ran it before. It was like I want to say like last December time frame. And that was with the stock LS7 bottom end, and since then he's gotten faster, I've gotten faster. LSX block, roughly 21 pounds of boost, roughly 1100 horsepower, and I mean, you're making what, like at least like 190, 200 to the wheel?
Oh, I'm making like 280.
280 to the wheel?
Yeah.
God, that's a lot.
So if it hooks up, it should be a good run. I'll have everything off.
Yeah, I know.
So. It's
kind of cloudy today, but the ground's pretty dry, so we should be good, but we'll see. We'll see. If it starts drizzling, I'm gonna just fucking call it off or whatever. Yeah, I'm pretty excited to see how this goes, man. Damn. So now it stays planted?
Yeah.
Stays planted?
Squat and go. Sometimes it'll spin in first gear.
Okay. Okay.
But I mean, other than that, second gear 80, we should be good.
So I say, give me an 80 roll and I'll give you a 60 roll, just to see the differences. Yeah, 60 roll, I'll be at like 2,900 RPMs, like way out of my power band in third gear.
No, don't do that, man.
Yeah, because right now we're still having issues cooking second gear. Oh yeah, oh shit. All right, man. So like I said, there was a couple cops on the highway on my way here. Do you want to like just like circle back real quick?
Yeah, let's go ride down. I'll do like a quick little test it right here because I hate running down that way.
Okay.
And then when we flip around in the express lane, we'll just check it, and then we'll just do another loop, and then we'll run on the express lane going back.
All right, sounds good. That's a bet. All right, so there you have it. How do you guys think this is gonna go? All right, so I think I'm gonna get him. I think I'm gonna get him, but hey, we'll see.
Up top,
we'll see.
It pulls hard. Up top, it pulls hard. I will say.
Yeah. All right. We'll see. We'll see. I got faith in my car, so I don't see me losing, and he doesn't see him losing, so it should be a good run. Should be a good run.
How much your car weigh?
Dude, so we added the block, and that's an iron block. I mean, we pretty much added some weight back in it. I know Google says like 3150. I mean, I think we probably
about 31, 32.
Nah. With the I should right around maybe like 33.
33?
33, I would say.
I'd say that's giving it a little.
I mean, with the ProCharger, man, that's a heavy ProCharger, dude. That shit weighs like 60 pounds by itself. Maybe.
Fuck, really? God damn.
Probably like 40, maybe. I don't know. It's pretty hefty. It's pretty hefty. All right, so all right, gonna get in the car and I'll circle back, make sure that the streets aren't hot, and then yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mount the GoPro on and get ready. All right, so we ended up making a pit stop went to mount the GoPro on just to find out that the battery was dead. I had plugged it in the other day, and I guess I must have left it on, checking the battery level. So charging it up right now, and then we're gonna be hitting the streets. Leave a comment below. Let me know who y'all got money on. Okay, so we got the boosted vet. All right, going against a modified Kawasaki H2. He said it's making right around 290. I think it's capping. It might be a little bit more than that. All right, so and we're right around 1100. So the power to weight is there for both of us. So we'll see what happens. So it's gonna be an 80 roll, 80 to 180, only because we're still having some traction issues with the car. So hopefully with the higher roll in third gear, the car doesn't fall on its face like it usually would, starting out of 60. So. Mounting the GoPro again. Earlier we had fucked up the 360 feature of it, racing the Kawasaki H2. So I'm gonna do another testing on it, see how the angle is. Make sure we got that 360 turned on this time. Do a test hit at a closed course, you know, somewhere safe. That should be good right there. Raced my boys modified H2 earlier, and I was trying to get it. On the 360. I ended up jacking that up. I had it still on the portrait mode. I think we got it. Finally got that figured out. We had 2 runs. Both of them I spun third, but not too bad. We were able to keep the car straight. And the runs were supposed to be from 80 to 180, but due to the bumpy road, we were we had to let off early, and I was actually shifting early as well. But it is what it is. The H2 is no slouch. It is the fastest production bike, and then obviously you know, with the bike being modded and tuned, it's just, you know, that much faster. I think it said it was making 190. All right, and I don't think the vet did bad. We just did the head gaskets on it, and I'm still figuring out if everything is running as it should. We're still not hitting that same boost that we used to, so I'm gonna keep doing a little bit more troubleshooting. I'm gonna look through the plumbing again, make sure there's no vacuum leaks, and I don't know. Might even considering going with a different brand head gasket. That'll be the easiest thing to do. End of the day, it could just be that running these factory LS7 4-bolt heads just aren't doing the job, and we might need some 6-bolt heads, either Frankenstein or maybe PRC. I don't know. Maybe we've quickly found the limit to the upper end of the motor, and we might just need to take a look and maybe make some changes. Tested out the GoPro 360 feature, and it looks to be working just right. I wanted to actually do a red line shift just to make sure that the speedometer on it is also kind of accurate. I mean, it's not like I can calibrate that, but you know, just to see you know, what the miles per hour differences are. I was going to use one that I would put in my mouth that gets the gauges and compare and contrast. All right, I appreciate you guys for tuning in, for keeping up with the channel. All right, I got Shorty in the back. She's trying to look all busy. Say hi to the camera.
Okay.
Okay, all right. We'll probably cut that part out. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all on the next video.
See what I'm saying? I'm making